are aware that now Amazon has a new title policy which will cap the title at 75 characters and introducing a new item highlight matrix where you can put the remaining 125 characters and highlight more of your product. So I turned that into a skill, and let me give you a walkthrough, a quick brief. So now we can turn the current title into Amazon compliant winners, and how we can do it. So I have created a Claude skill which you will import it, and then you can quickly run your title against it, and it will give you the item name and item highlights. So let me give you a quick walkthrough of it. So I have a before and after score system where this is the current title and it will optimize it. This is just for the examples. These are not the actual titles. I'm just taking it as examples. So if we look at here at the water bottle, so this is one of the brand that we can assume. I'm assuming that this is one of the brand that we are targeting. So here we say that this is the title, and then I convert this into an optimized way. So this will be the current title, which will get as an input, and we will get item name and item highlight as an output. So, and it will also give you the score of your current title and also on the optimized title, and three matrices that I have been in the comparison with, which is compliance, SEO coverage, and clarity. And based on that, it will give you a grade. Having said that, how the funnel work and how the input in process and output works is in a way that we can provide each one of one, or let's say we want to provide them all three, but I would say you can start with one and one of them. So listing URL, you can provide your listings of your Amazon brand. It will fetch the data from the URL, or you can provide your category listing report, which is the best option, I would say, because all of your listing goes there along with your other matrices there. So it's easy for the AI to understand your product much better. You can provide your category listing report, or you can let the AI to have in a question answer mode where AI will ask you questions and you can reply to those questions and it will come up with a decision. On top of it, it's optional to provide a Helium 10 report, because based on the Helium 10 report, it will come up with a more good SEO coverage. So it's better to provide your Helium 10 report for all of your products. I would say what you can do is copy links of your URL, at least 10, and paste it on Helium 10, and then you will get the Cerebrate report. You can just give that to the AI and it will cover everything. So what it's going to do is, first of all, it will take those inputs and will normalize data. So I have one standard procedure that it will normalize that data for under one product record. So every listing you provide, or let's say you provide category listing report, or you answer the questions from the AI, all of that will go to one second phase, which will be the standardized normalization of that product, and it will analyze those data first. Then it will optimize and score. So it will provide the 75 and 125 characters and also do the SEO thing, analyze the Helium 10 reports, and it will optimize and score it. And as a result, it will give us one spreadsheet which will contain one row per product and also contain scoring of every product title and highlights we give, as I mentioned here. So it will be in this way. Then in case of if you uploaded the category listing report as an input, then it will also provide you a re-uploaded report, which you can check and which you can work with it and see and re-upload that. So you will provide a category listing report, it will analyze it, it will normalize it, and then it will give you the same category listing report with updated item name and item highlights. So it's better if you provide the category listing report. And yeah, it's also for the I have optimized it for the SEO, so it will look for the SEO and it will don't include any competitor brand or any generic keywords that are not relevant to your product, because in the Helium 10 report you will see thousands of keywords which are irrelevant to you, so it will completely ignore that. And yeah, so four ways in, one way out, which is you import these three along with the Helium 10 report and you will get an output. And this is the maximum character. So I always try to make it compliant with Amazon. So it is always compliant with Amazon. So if you want the link of this optimizer, it will be here on the down below. So just check it out and let me know how it turns.